A very unusual breakfast is a lazy pizza in a frying pan with tomatoes, cheese and scrambled eggs. I'll show you now. We prepare products according to the list. We prepare the dough. In a deep bowl, combine sour cream, mayonnaise, 1 egg, salt and pepper. Add flour and mix with a fork or whisk. Pizza dough should have a consistency similar to sour cream. Pour vegetable oil into a cold frying pan. Spread the dough, spread it on the bottom and level it with a spatula or the back of a spoon. We spread the ketchup on top and carefully distribute it over the dough with the spatula or spoon. About 2/3 of the cheese is grated on a medium grater, spread on a pizza base and evenly distributed. Cut the tomato into thin slices and spread it on the surface of the dough. If desired, you can add a little salt. The cheese already contains salt, so you should salt it carefully. The remaining piece of cheese is grated on a fine grater and sprinkled with tomatoes. Carefully pour in the eggs. If desired, you can pierce the yolks with a knife so that they spread slightly and cook faster. Lightly salt. We put the frying pan on minimum heat and cover it with a lid. Cook the pizza in a frying pan for about 10–15 minutes until the eggs are set. Lazy pizza in a frying pan, with tomatoes, cheese and scrambled eggs, is ready. We serve it to the table, optionally decorated with fresh herbs. A quick, original and nutritious breakfast for the whole family. Enjoy your meal.